What would you give to live your life in good health and enjoy knowing your grandchildren, even your great-grandchildren? Unfortunately, the global impact of the diseases of aging, such as heart disease, cancer, diabetes, arthritis, and Alzheimer's, are robbing us of our health and longevity. We've been told that vitamin supplements are a good preventative medicine. But a 2008 analysis of 68 clinical studies involving more than 200,000 subjects revealed that consuming supplements alone is not effective in fighting disease or boosting longevity.
Getting your nutrients from food is still the best way to achieve and maintain long-term health. Our fast-paced lives make it extremely difficult to eat well daily. How can you make sure you and your family are getting the nutrients you need? Via Viente delivers peace of mind with support for your long-term wellness and sustained energy.
Via Viente was created from the fruits and mineral water consumed by the Vilcabamba people living high in the Andes Mountains of Ecuador. This extraordinary region of the world boasts 1 in 64 people who live beyond 100 years of age and are in excellent health. Their secret? Fruit from the equatorial region and naturally chelated mineral drinking water.
Via Viente brings this longevity diet directly to you in 13 superfoods combined with this same chelated mineral water from high in the Andes Mountains. This unique combination of nutrients is the perfect recipe to support your long-term health and increased energy. Just 1 ounce of Via Viente is the nutritional equivalent of 5 servings of fresh, organic fruit and vegetables, with the convenience that you simply cannot replicate. 1 to 2 ounces of Via Viente provides you with the minimum daily requirements of fruit and vegetables recommended by the FDA.
Though organic farming practices vary globally, the objective of organic farming is to deliver high-quality produce that is pesticide-free. Via employs the most reliable way to confirm that we achieve organic principles. We test our product after formulation to ensure that Via Viente is free from pesticides and herbicides. Our bottling process utilizes the safest method of providing a pure product with the freshness of just picked fruit. This state-of-the-art aseptic sterilization process quickly heats and cools our product in less than 4 seconds to kill microorganisms like viruses, bacteria, and mold, while keeping the nutrients alive. This proprietary process means Via Viente delivers a fresh, whole food product just as nature intended.
The Institute of Food Technologists called the aseptic process the most significant food science innovation of the last 50 years. The IFT states that the aseptic process allows a substantial reduction in the time and temperature necessary for sterilization, which increases nutrient retention and flavor while ensuring safety from contaminants.
Most products on the market are juice or juice combinations. Via Viente delivers whole fruit purees. Why? Because the wealth of nutrients and antioxidants are found in the skins, seeds, and pulp, not just the juice. With no added sugars or flavors, no preservatives, and no nutrient-killing processes like pasteurization, Via Viente stands head and shoulders above all other products.
Do you know it is possible to achieve financial freedom by owning a business of your own with minimum startup cost? Corporate America is rife with layoffs and uncertainty. Franchises cost a small fortune to buy into. And the good news is, you can simplify your life and take charge of your financial destiny with Via Viente's business opportunity.
You can be your own boss, work from your own home, set your own hours, have more time for your family and leisure activities. No more rat race, no more late hours at the office or long commutes. You can take control while you build your own business in a recession-proof industry.
Economist Paul Zane Pilsner calls the wellness industry a $500 billion industry. Even though millions of people have embraced wellness, the need has expanded because of declining health trends, rising obesity rates, and rising medical costs. Disease prevention is the only viable solution to rising healthcare costs.
In the last 60 years, the US has seen 9 economic downturns. In each of those downturns, direct selling has exploded. Via Viente offers you the chance to benefit directly from your work and personal initiative. Stop throwing your talent away. This is your opportunity to begin your Via Viente business and take charge of your financial destiny.
Via Viente provides simple and effective marketing tools that are easy to learn and easy to use. Every Via Viente member receives a free one-page website that includes all you need to share the product and start your own home-based Via Viente business. In addition, you'll receive a free online virtual back office, which gives you access to tracking orders, communicating with your team, and more.
If you want to take your Via Viente business further, upgrade to the full GotVia Online Member Center for an affordable fee. Take advantage of our advanced marketing tools, email and social networking, and other great resources.
You don't have to be an expert to successfully build your business. Via Viente makes it easy for you to build your income by simply sharing the product with others.
If you can hand someone a DVD, send them to your website, or get them on a 3-way call, you can build your Via Viente business and your income. What are you waiting for? The future is waiting for you. Choose better health and financial freedom by getting started now with your own Via Viente business.